My name is Brad Thomas. I'm the Director of Product Management for Track and Trace Solutions. Today I want to show you a couple of things that we have with our RFID solution with Elector 850s. Behind me I have Elector 850 barcode readers along with RFID reading solution all combined together. Any of our solutions we can add RFID to as a nice adder or future-proofing your solution for what's to come in the next few years. As you can see, we have multiple RFID readers, so being able to associate the barcode data with RFID is important so you can have the correct association of data. Collecting with dimensions, RFID, and barcodes, you get the full view of the package and its attributes. We're able to show this data inside our analytics platform, whether it's package analytics or track and trace analytics Lite. We'll be able to give you a full representation of all the package attributes. To find out more, reach out to us and we can answer all the questions you have.